Hi everyone, welcome back to Dragon Image. Today we're here testing the LightPro 50C. This is a small little focusable LED. If you've seen a previous video where we show you the full kit of 3 of them, you may have clicked on the link and ended up here. We try to measure everything in the same way, so it's all uniform, so its measurements are accurate between light sources, so you can easily compare the output of lights as well as see the results that they produce. What we'll do is we'll turn off the main light here and just use the little guy, just so you can actually see the extra results that it's producing. Okay, so turn that off. Okay, so first of all, it's currently on flood, so you can see it's got kind of good coverage. I've got my spectrometer here and my ruler, so what I'll do is I'll measure it at 1 meter. The reason that I choose to measure at 1 meter and not half a meter is at half a meter, the light still hasn't spread out as much as it would normally, and so what tends to happen is if you're comparing a flood light source or a spot light source, you don't really get the true measurements at distance, you get a measurement of output. So if we go here, 26, okay. So the most important kind of things that we're looking for here is the TLCI, which is basically the broadcast version of CRI, and the lux output. So that's this there. Okay, so TLCI of 98.2, CRI of 89.4. The CCT is actually the color output, which is 5,651, which is very close to daylight of 5,600, and the lux is 1,162. Now what I'll do is this particular light source has a spot function, so I can very easily kind of light and spot it, and hopefully you guys can see how effective that spot is. And again, what we'll do is we'll measure at 1 meter so we can get the power output when it's in the spot mode. Okay, there we go. Okay, so TLCI of 98.3, CRI of 90.2, CCT of 5,223, and the lux of 1,960.42. So you can see how focusing the light has obviously given us a higher output at this distance, whereas if we're measuring at a meter, half a meter, that discrepancy wouldn't be as noticeable. And there you have it. So if you're interested in looking at all our other lights, you can always view all our other videos. You can also visit your local Dragon Image, and you can also click on the link below to see the full video on the kit of these little lights. Thanks.